Hey everyone, today we're making Panang Curry. Creamy coconut meets nutty warmth in this flavorful Thai classic. Chicken, beef, or shrimp can be used, which swims in a rich and spicy sauce balanced with the peanuts that are ground into the fresh curry paste. Optional vegetables add color and crunch. Serve this with steamed rice. It's delicious. First, we're going to prepare the fresh spice paste. For this, you need 7 Asian shallots peeled, 6 large cloves of garlic peeled, 2 tablespoons of galangal peeled and chopped, 2 tablespoons of lemongrass, just the tender inner stalk portions cut into rings, 1 teaspoon of coriander roots, just the roots chopped. We also have 3 mild red chilies. Remove the seeds if you want to reduce the heat. You can chop them up, and you can add more chilies if you want it spicier. We have 1 to 2 tablespoons of roasted peanuts or ground nuts. This is what adds that creamy, nutty flavor to the Panang curry. Next, we have some spices, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. I've added these to a pan and we're going to toast them. To all the other ingredients, which by the way I've added to a small grinder jar, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of dry red chili paste. I have a video on how to make dried red chili paste at home. You can check that out in the description, or you can buy store-bought dried red chili paste. Okay, so our spices are nice and toasted. We're going to add that as well as half a teaspoon of shrimp paste. You can use Thai shrimp paste or Vietnamese shrimp paste, anything you have. Grind this to a nice smooth paste. Make sure the nuts are ground, and then we can start to make our Panang curry. So just to note that all these ingredients are easily available at any store that sells Southeast Asian products. So now let's get started on making our Panang curry. I've got a wok on heat, and to this we're going to add half a cup of coconut milk. I've actually made the coconut milk by mixing equal parts of Kara coconut cream with water. Keep stirring on a medium heat till the coconut milk thickens into a paste-like consistency, and you can see that the oil is starting to separate. Keep the heat on medium, and now we can add in the spice paste now that the coconut cream is nice and thick. Stir this in quickly to mix in the spices with the coconut cream. Reduce the heat. And once again, you want to see that the oil separates. At this point, we're going to add 1 to 2 teaspoons of coconut sugar or palm sugar or raw sugar. Stir this in. So once all the spices and the fresh ingredients are cooked and the oil is separated, we're going to add 300 to 350 grams of boneless chicken breast cut into very small bite-sized pieces. Stir this till the chicken is no longer pink. It's coated with the spices and the chicken is basically opaque. And we're also going to add 10 to 12 fresh prawns that have been cleaned. We're going to stir this as well. Make sure it's coated well and the prawns turn opaque as well. So in this recipe we're using chicken and prawns. You can use just chicken or just prawns, and you can add beef as well. And this can also be made with just vegetables. You can use mushrooms and tofu and peppers. Okay, now that our chicken and prawns have turned opaque, we're going to add another 1.5 to 2 cups of coconut milk again. The cream mixed with water to make an even consistency coconut milk. You can always add more coconut milk later. Stir this in well. As it simmers, we're going to add 1 can of straw mushrooms that have been drained and chopped. Vegetables are optional in the Panang curry, but they add a nice crunch. And very important is the kaffir lime leaves. We're going to add 2 kaffir lime leaves, the mid vein removed. It all smells so good, so just simmer for a while till the chicken and prawns are tender. Add a little bit of water if you need to. And always keep stirring to make sure that nothing catches on the bottom of the pan. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of Thai fish sauce, very essential in any Thai curry. This is added for the salty taste. If you don't have it, you can add salt instead, and also some white pepper and lime juice to taste. That's optional. Once it's simmered and you've adjusted the consistency to your liking, we're going to garnish with the same red chilies that we used before. I removed the seeds and julienned them. If you don't have these chilies, you can do the same with red bell peppers. A delicious homemade chicken and prawns Panang Curry is ready. Serve this with steamed white rice. You can garnish it with Thai basil leaves. It's absolutely delicious. Try the recipe and let me know. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.